A fake news story creates unnecessary friction between Israel and Pakistan. British daily The Guardian reports the fake news piece published a supposed nuclear threat from the Israeli defense minister. The headline says, Israeli defense minister, if Pakistan send ground troops to Syria on any pretext, we will destroy this country with a nuclear attack. The news was published on the site AWD News, which has been identified as a fake news site by fact-checking organizations. The news causes Pakistan's Defense Minister Khawaja Mohammad Asif to warn Israel on Twitter, saying that Pakistan is a nuclear state too. Israel's Ministry of Defense responds shortly after, saying the report is fake.